Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the replacement vent exactly matches the opening so you don't trim the roof later. Once confirmed, park level and disconnect the battery. Safety first. Remove interior trim and unscrew the old vent's interior screws so you can access fasteners from below. Use a utility knife to cut caulk around the flange. Do this gently to avoid tearing roofing. Make sure to keep removed screws and sealant scraps contained so you can inspect the flange and seal surface. Now pry the flange edges and lift the old vent clear. Pry slowly to avoid gouging the roof. Once free, scrape all old sealant and adhesive down to a clean surface. You need bare substrate for a long-lasting bond. Inspect for soft spots. Replace decking if any rot appears. Dry fit the new vent to align holes, then apply a continuous bead of RV-grade butyl or polyurethane sealant under the flange. This prevents leaks and bonds the new unit in place. You now set the vent in place and drive screws evenly around the flange, tightening gradually so the sealant spreads and compresses without bunching. Wipe away excess sealant. Smooth beads ensure water sheds correctly. Reinstall interior trim and reconnect the battery. Power the vent to confirm the lid opens and the fan runs. Once done, perform a water test or wait for rain. If you see any seepage, remove screws at that spot, add more sealant, and retorque. That single troubleshooting tip prevents repeats.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.